So in this video, we're gonna take a look on an offset animation. As you can see, the icons are moving simultaneously. So we're gonna make this one from scratch. So first, let's go to our file, new project, don't save, and let's create a new composition. So I'm gonna hit new composition, I'm going to type offset 25 for the frame rate or the FPS, and duration will be 5 seconds only. Hit OK, and then let's import our icons. So double click inside the project panel, or we can simply go on the project panel and right click, import file, and then let's select some icons. So I'm gonna select checklist and the timer, import, and then let's drag this to inside our workspace area. So before we proceed in editing their position and their scale, let's organize our project panel by creating folder and type icons. Let's put this to inside the icons and then create another folder, and let's name it comp for the composition. So let's drag this one inside this folder so it looks more organized and clean. So back to our workspace. So here inside, let's move the icons in a proper order so that we can see, and rescale this timer a bit smaller from the checklist there. So from here, let's do an animation on its position. So I hit P on the keyboard and then go to the 1 second and add a stopwatch or a keyframe on the 1 second, and then let's go to the 3 second and add another keyframe, but there's nothing happening, right? So let's add movement on our position. So let's go back to our 1 second, and then on the x-axis, let's drag this to somewhere where it cannot be seen in the viewport, so as far as you guys want. And then let's see what it looks like when we hit play or when we hit the spacebar on our keyboard. So the movement is slow and it's not what we are looking for in offset. So let's edit more. So first, let's use the expression that I provided. So enable to do that, let's go to our position again, and at stopwatch, let's hold down Alt on keyboard and left mouse button to enable the expression. In here you can see that if it turns red, it means it is accepting expressions from us, scripts, written text. So I have an expression here in my notepad. I'll just select all, copy, Control C, then go back here inside my position, delete this, and Control V to paste, and then enter, or just your left mouse button. So let's do that on the another icon. Again, let's hit the Alt key on the keyboard, hold down or press the Alt key on the keyboard, left mouse button on the stopwatch, and then hit V or paste, and then left mouse button on the timeline, and then let's see what it looks like now. So let's wait. Now it has a bit of follow through in the movement. So it's not yet what we're looking for, but we're getting there. So to finish this off, let's just move the timer and delay its movement a bit from the checklist. So we're gonna do that just by adjusting this bar. And then let's hit play again on the keyboard, stopwatch, spacebar. So it's still slow, and the stopwatch is, or the timer is still, I think it's too far, so let's make it a bit near. And then there we have it, but it's still slow, right guys? So let's just select our keyframes by using the left mouse button, and then hold down, and then just press on the keyframes, drag them in front or near the keyframes in the 1 second to make the movement a bit more faster. So let's hit play again. And there we have it. We have our offset animation. So of course, this animation, you can adjust the speed or the velocity of the movement. So it's up to you. Anyways, let's go on to our next video.